In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome screen shifts to the right. If your Chrome window keeps sliding or the web page looks pushed off to the right with odd empty space, the issue is often tied to hardware graphics acceleration. That feature lets Chrome use your computer's GPU for smoother video and animations, but on some systems, it can cause layout glitches. We'll turn it off and relaunch Chrome to clear the problem. Start by opening Google Chrome and clicking the three dots menu in the top right corner of the browser. This opens Chrome's main menu. Next, choose Settings from that menu. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. In the Settings page, look for the System section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might see System in the left sidebar, or you may need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you're there, you'll see options that control how Chrome interacts with your computer. Find the option related to graphics acceleration. It's typically labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle this setting off to disable graphics acceleration. Turning it off tells Chrome to render pages using software instead of the GPU, which usually eliminates those strange rightward shifts and misaligned clicks. If you're having trouble locating it, the search bar at the top of Settings can help you jump straight to Hardware Acceleration. After you switch it off, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and then reopen automatically to apply the change. Before you relaunch, make sure any in-progress work in web apps is saved. Your open tabs will come back, but unsaved changes inside a site might not. When Chrome returns, it should feel exactly the same, just without the screen shifting issue. Now test a page that was giving you trouble. Scroll, click links, and resize the window to confirm everything holds steady. If you notice videos feel slightly less smooth, that's normal with graphics acceleration disabled, but most people won't see a difference in day-to-day browsing. And if you ever want to switch the feature back on, you can revisit the same setting and toggle it on again, then relaunch. That's it. By using the menu, opening Settings, going to System, turning off Hardware Acceleration, and relaunching, you can quickly fix Chrome when the screen shifts to the right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to a clean, stable browsing experience.